Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling to find your downloaded files from Telegram on your Android device? No worries. Today I will walk you through some super simple steps to locate those files in no time. Let's get started. First up, let's see how to download files directly from a chat. Open Telegram and navigate to the chat where the file was shared. Tap on the file to download it if it hasn't already. Then tap the three-dot menu icon next to the file. Choose Save to the Gallery for images or videos, or Save to Downloads for other file types. This way the file is saved for a specific folder. Next, let's find these files using your device's file manager. Open the file manager. Now go to internal storage or SD card depending on where your files are usually saved. Check out the download folder. Most files are downloaded from apps that ends up here. If you have saved the file in your gallery, look for a folder named Telegram within the picture or DCIM folder. Here I have a Telegram folder. Here I will find every saved or downloaded photos, videos or files of Telegram. Now, can't find your files in usual spots? No problem. Let's dig a little deeper. Navigate to your Android folder in your device's internal storage. Here, Android. Now go to Data and find org.telegram.messenger. Open this folder and you will find the files folder inside. The folder has all your Telegram media downloads organized by type like documents, audio and video. You can also view shared media directly in Telegram app by heading to the chat. Let me show you. Go to the Telegram. Go to the chat you want to take files from. Tap on the chat head. Now, here you can see the shared media. You will see all the media files, links and documents shared in the conversation. And that's how it's easy to find your Telegram downloads on Android. No more searching aimlessly or losing tracks of important files. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something specific you would like to learn next. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.